Hello friends, today we are going to start the concept of class 12th, chapter 4, determinants. Yes, firstly we must know what is a determinant. To every square matrix A like this of order n, we can associate a number real या complex is called determinant. Means whenever you will open the determinant, you will find a number. Number can be real या complex. Means a single number you will obtain. It is denoted by this bracket. Means determinant of A. It is not the modulus of A. It is calculated of only square matrix. You know what is square matrix, where number of rows is equal to number of columns. Now we will see how we will find determinant. Let A is a square matrix of order 1. Then the determinant of A is equal to A. Means whatever is written here, then that is the value of your determinant. 3, 4, whatever can be written. This is what? This is a single element. But it is 1 by 1. One row, one column is here. You will get in same element in determinant. Next is determinant of order 2. Like 2 by 2. You know कि square matrix is here, only you can find the determinant 2 by 2. What will you do? You will do the cross multiplication here. Means firstly this multiply with this. Similarly, and always you will keep negative sign in between them. Then you will multiply this with here. Clear? So you know what is it. It will become 0. 7 minus 0, so your answer is 7. It can be positive or negative because this bracket is not working as a absolute value. This is your determinant. Determinant can be positive or negative. Next is determinant of order 3 by 3. Like you have given how many rows? 3. How many columns? 3. So your order is 3 by 3. Now we are able to find the determinant. Now I am telling expand by C1. You know what is C1? C1 means column C first. First column. R1 means row first. R2 means row second. Now we are expanding by C1. You can expand by any row or by any column. But you will prefer that row or column where zeros are there. Whenever you will observe one zero is there in one column or one row. So I preferred one column. First column I preferred. You can observe any one, but you will get the answer same there. So firstly I tell ki how will you do. You are expanding by C1. Clear? Firstly you will take your first element 0. Then you will not take those elements which are in same row and same column. Means 0 is in which row? First row. You will not take. And in which column? 2 minus 1. You will leave it. You will take which are left. You will keep them in determinant. I hope you are getting. Then you will take next element 2. Why I have written negative? I am telling this concept what is here. You know your determinant matrix is in this form. A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Next is A31, A32, A33. Clear? But you will see what is here. 1 plus 1. Even is becoming, so you will take positive. If you are taking the sum of these, it is becoming odd. On odd time you will take a negative sign with it. Clear? What is you are getting here at the place of A31? Minus 1. So you will keep it same because 3 plus 1 is your even number. On even number you will take same sign that is here, but odd time you will change. If a negative is there, you will take positive. If positive is there, you will take negative. Clear? Only odd time you will change. Suppose if you are taking C2, then what will you take for this? Negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Clear? Means you will see this element ki what is on that place. So I hope you are getting A31. Whenever I am taking 2, A21 I am taking, then you will skip this. You will write 7, 8, 6, 8. Clear? Then minus 1 you are taking, then you will skip this row and this column, 7, 8, 4, 5. Clear? Now you will open 0 same, multiply here. Minus 2 same, multiply here. 7 5s are 8 4s are. Clear? Now it will become 0 and it become 8 2s are 16, 3 1s are 3, minus 19. Clear? So I hope you got. I will discuss some examples regarding to this exercise 14.1 now. Now we are doing exercise 14.1. Evaluate. Here you know what is the order of this 2 by 2. When order is 2 by 2, you will multiply this with this and this with this. Same I told, and you know you have to take negative sign in between them. Clear? Minus 2 minus minus plus 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. I told in procedure also you will multiply in cross form. You will multiply this with this and negative sign you will keep with it in between them, then multiply here. After solvation you are getting 18. Second is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Any number can come there, but you have to do same procedure. Cos into cos, cos square, minus you will keep in same procedure, minus sin square theta. You know minus minus become positive. So this is your trigonometric identity. Its answer is 1. Next is x square minus x plus 1. You know you have to multiply with it. Yes, I kept in bracket firstly, minus, then these I kept collectively. Then I will multiply x cube, x square, minus x into 1, minus x plus 1. You know how to multiply the polynomials. Similarly, you will see these are the making identities, x square minus 1, but sign is negative, so signs will be altered. So now you will see cancellation will be there. After solvation you get this answer. Next is if a is equal to this, then show that 2a's determinant is equal to 4 determinant of a. Firstly we will take left hand side. Firstly you know कि you have to multiply 2 with the a. So 2 into a I kept. 2 you will multiply with each element of your matrix. You are getting this. This is your left hand side. Clear? But you have to find its determinant also. 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. 8 minus 32 is your answer, minus 24. Now you will see 4 determinant of a in right side, 4 outside determinant of a. Means firstly you will solve your determinant here. 2 minus 8. Then it becomes minus 6 into 4, minus 24. Both are same. Listen carefully what is here. Means 2 is multiplied firstly, then determinant is find. But here determinant firstly find, then multiplied with the 4. But you are getting the same answer. Clear? Next one is if a is equal to this, find determinant of a. This is of 3 by 3 order. Now we are able to find. Firstly you will write in this bracket. Yes, now we are expanding by C2. You can expand by anyone, but answer will be unique here. You know, whenever you will see in C2, first element is your 1. 1 I kept outside. You can write what is the element of this place. A, 1, 2. 1, 2 are making negative sign. So I kept with it negative. Then you will see you have to take 1. 1 you will keep out. And what will you take sign with it? That is your A22. 22 is making positive. So plus. Then 4 you will write out. But this is your A32. 32, 3 plus 2 is 5. This is odd. So I kept with the negative it. You will write your element with that sign they are making. negative, positive, negative, even, positive, odd, negative. And you know, whenever you are taking this element, then you will not take this, you will take 2 5 minus 3 minus 9. Whenever you are taking this element, then you will skip these two, 1 5 minus 2 minus 9. Means you will not consider those elements which are in that row and that column. Similarly for that one. Clear? Then you will solve. Yes, here also same procedure we follow. Then you will multiply the outer element with that. You are seeing ki each is cancelled by them, so 0 is your answer. Clear? It can be anything, negative, positive, 0 also. Find x if this is equal to this. In matrix, you know, you can compare the elements on corresponding places, but not in determinant. In determinant, you will solve firstly, then you will find the value. X square minus 36, 36 minus 36. Clear? It will become 0. Minus 36 will become on this side 6 square. Square whenever you will remove, then it will leave plus minus sign. I hope you are getting. So easy to get. Only in 2 by 2 you will multiply cross and take negative sign in between them. But here you have by any rows or any column expand, but see the signs which are you taking. If you are taking here, you know ki which elements will be there. 1 3, yes, 2 3, 3 3. It will be even, positive, 2 plus 3 5 negative. This will be positive. Means with them you will take the signs of these. Clear? I hope you got. Easy to get.